Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Gully. Until now we have done various Arduino projects. Today we are going to start with IoT, that is Internet of Things, where physical devices are connected to the digital world and we can monitor and control them from anywhere in the world. Isn't that interesting? The most commonly used board for IoT applications is ESP8266 NodeMCU. It is available at a very affordable price in the market at $300. So what exactly is a NodeMCU? Well, to put it simply, it's a Wi-Fi enabled microchip with microcontroller capabilities. It can not only connect to a Wi-Fi network and interact with the internet, but also set up a network of its own, allowing other devices to connect to it. Just like the Arduino Uno board, even NodeMCU is programmed using Arduino IDE. Let me tell you an important thing. If you're planning to buy NodeMCU, you will find two different boards in the market. NodeMCU CH340G and NodeMCU CP2102. Basically, both the boards are same. The only difference is in the USB interface. One uses CH340G chip for USB to serial conversion and the other uses CP2102 chip for the same. Before starting to program the board, let us have a look at the input-output pins and how to power the board. It has total 17 GPIO pins, that is general purpose input-output pins. Coming to the power supply, it has an operating voltage range of 3 volt to 3.6 volt. It can be powered directly by using the onboard micro USB connector. Alternatively, if you have a 5 volt voltage source, it can be used to give the power using the VIN pin. If you are using ESP8266 for the first time, you will have to install the ESP8266 board in your Arduino IDE. So follow the steps and make sure that you have the latest version of Arduino IDE. Moving on to the most interesting part, now we are going to do a onboard LED blink program, which is provided in the examples of Arduino IDE. Now as you can see, the onboard LED is blinking with the delay of 2000 seconds. Now as you can see, we have changed the delay to 1000 seconds and so the LED is blinking faster. And thanks for watching Science Gully. Do let me know in the comments if this tutorial was helpful for you all. See you in the next video. Until we meet, bye bye.